Hey everybody, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be guiding you how to use TradingView mobile application. So right in front of me, as you can see, we have official application. Over here we have the candles right in front of us, and we can switch between all of these information. So what I suggest is you can use these tools on the left side for drawing your trend lines and stuff like that, and you can go through this. You can simply reform it however you would like. You can see we have all of these tools available. We have our scales and parameters showing up, so you can easily use these. Now you can, to read your candles, you can simply switch to normal arrow, and you can see we have that. You can see your candles, you can read your charts. On the right side you can see the values as well. Now you can also get 15% bonus once you sign into the platform using only the link in the description below, so make sure to give a try to that, as it is going to be providing you a huge value. So I suggest you use that. So that's how basically you can use your TradingView mobile application. You can download it from your App Store or Google Play Store. Really easy. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.